Hello folks, today I'm out here checking out a brand new construction job and what we wanted to look at here is actually the owners actually asked me to come out here to take a look at the subfloor. And they said, well, there's gaps in it, Troy. Is there supposed to have these gaps in it like this? And so anyway, they was just kind of worried about it. So I came out here to take a look at it for them. And really, this is exactly what you do want. You want these gaps to be put in here because you're going to get a certain amount of swelling, a certain amount of movement, expansion and contraction. So by having these in here is keeping this from buckling. Now also I wanted to share with you, and I've showed the other ones of these where we put glued and screwed these down. But look here, these guys have done such a great job. See how my screws right in through here, and they got it, if you can get down in here and see it, and you can see where they literally got them countersunk. And that's really a great job. Well, thank you for watching our videos, folks.